Okay. This is how you make the mouse old. Oh my gosh, look! You see that? You see that? That's how you make the mouse old. And also, there's some other tries to do that too. First, if you're playing Roblox, you will have to exit on that. If you're and you will have to open back Roblox, open it, let your mouse stay there until it loads. It's not loading. Oh, never mind. Do you see that? That's how you make the mouse old. And yeah, that's how you make the mouse old. So goodbye.